Hello everyone, this is Antoinette from Mama of All Trades, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sugar scrub. It's pretty easy. This is actually a recipe that I got off of the Oil Spill, which is my essential oils group, not mine, a group that I'm a part of for Young Living essential oils. And I've done a lot of research on oils. I've tried a lot of oils, and personally I like Young Living the best. So if you have questions about why I chose Young Living, I've tried so many different kinds, then just give me with a comment and I'll try to explain it in the comments, or ask me to make another video, whatever, if you want. So let's just get right to it. So what you're gonna do is you have 2 cups of sugar. First ingredient. All right. So I just use regular old cheap sugar because guess what? We're not eating it. It's just gonna be scrubbed on our hands. So 2 cups, and it doesn't have to be exact, because it's not an exact science. It's not like there's a chemical reaction exactly. It just is used as like an exfoliant, and it smells delicious. And then we're gonna use a 1/2 cup of coconut or some other carrier oil, whatever your favorite carrier oil is. I love this coconut oil because it just smells so good. And then you add the sugar, and then you add the peppermint, and it's just like the trifecta of deliciousness. There's a saying that everything that comes in threes is whole and perfect, and this has 3 ingredients, and I feel like it is whole and perfect. I made these my daughters and I made these for their teachers and for some friends for Christmas. Just a little gift, and their aunties and grandma. And so one of their aunties asked me, can I have the recipe? So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna make her some more. I made her grapefruit kind last time, which grapefruit essential oil is actually really great for your skin, and it actually helps with like circulation, and it helps with cellulite. So if you take it in the shower and just scrub those legs, it can help with getting rid of any cellulite you might have. And I just love it. After you scrub with it, your skin just feels moisturized, and it's just amazing. The coconut oil does that. And I hope you don't mind my background. This is my my Dry-Mate waterproof mat that I've used for ages, and as you can see, it's got some use. And we just start mixing. Until it's pretty well incorporated. I really like using this coconut oil because it is so creamy when it's cold, actually, and then when you heat it up, it just kind of melts in your hands. And I'm also experimenting with playing some royalty-free music in the background, so let me know if it's too loud or distracting, and I'll just cut that out. So you gotta really mix it in, and you start off with 1/4 cup of coconut oil, but if it's not really mixing to your desired consistency, then you can add a little bit more. You kind of want to test it out once you've got it really mixed in and see, how greasy is this? Is it too greasy? Do I want less? Do I want more? Is it not greasy enough? Am I not feeling anything? So also another thing is that like when you're scrubbing with it, when you're not using the water, if you like scrub your hands first, it kind of feels like there's not really any moisturizing happening. But then when you wash your hands, you just feel how smooth it is and how soft it feels afterwards. So wonderful. Then, okay, this looks pretty mixed. It's a little clumpy still, but we're gonna mix in the essential oils too, so we'll keep mixing. So Peppermint is a very strong smell, and it was suggested to do 6, but I found that I really liked 10 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's an 11, so 1 extra for good luck. And then just mix it up. Oh my gosh. Hi, don't mind my hair. It's early in the morning. Smells so good. So I have done this with lavender, I've done it with grapefruit, I've heard of people doing it with like rosemary, all different kinds. It's usually, I've heard people add frankincense, because frankincense is actually really good for your skin, and like they say it's really good for wrinkles. I wouldn't necessarily use it on my face, the sugar scrub. Probably would be safe too, but I just feel like it's a little too rough. Maybe if I had softer, finer sugar. I just don't want to scratch up my face. But I'm sure you could. But it's great for, I mean, your hands, your legs. I have a bottle in my shower. I have a bottle by my kitchen sink. I have a bottle by the bathroom sink. I have one by my master bedroom upstairs sink. So it's so cheap to make, so easy. I mean, look, we're already done. And it's been like less than 6 minutes already. And these are half pint jars. They're about 8 ounces. And I feel like they're perfect size because when you put your hands in to reach in, well, my hands are probably a little bit different shape than yours, obviously, but it's like perfect length. I can reach the bottom and grab the very last bits of it. And so this amount, this recipe makes almost perfectly 3 half ounces, and I'm spilling some everywhere. Whoop. And let's press play again because we want to drown out that baby crying in the background. So it's almost perfectly 3 jars. And here's my lids. So actually I'm going to use this Classico lid, which fits very nicely, but it's 1 piece. And I'm going to keep this one for myself because it's not completely full, and then these ones I'll probably give to my sisters. And that's it. Also, I have these great labels that I've made, and it's really, really simple to make the labels. If you just go to Avery.com, let me grab them real quick. So these are the Avery labels that I am using. They actually fit pretty much perfectly on top of this jar. And here's some past ones that I've done, and see they have some snowflakes on them because it was for Christmas. And yes, it's a little greasy because guess what? It's coconut oil, a little oily. And I'll put a link in the description for these exact labels. I really like the craft brown color. And so this is just an example. I'll go ahead and put a lavender sticker on one of these, but it fits just perfectly. Right there. Just like that. And then you can tie a nice little string around it or a little piece of ribbon, glue it on with some hot glue, and you're done. It's a perfect little gift. So cheap, so easy, so cute, and smells delicious. Another little tip is that you can just drop like 1 drop right on the top so that when they first open it, it's just like an explosion of wonderful scents. And just so fun. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions. and good luck. Happy crafting. Bye.